Hey guys, this is Abhishek from GadgetReviews.com, and today we are going to do a quick review of BlackBerry Q5 smartphone. It has been launched here in India from BlackBerry, and it has been launched at a price of around 24,990. And one thing which is good about this phone is that it is running the latest version of BlackBerry OS, that is the BlackBerry 10.1, and you have that OS now available on this device with a screen of 3.1 inch with IPS LCD display, and you have it at a very affordable price if you compare it with Z10 or with Q10. So the Q5 is going to be the most affordable BlackBerry 10 OS device which is going to be available here in India, and it is available from tomorrow. And within a week or July 20 basically, you will see this device getting available across India everywhere. So if we talk about the specifications of this device comes in two models. One is the NFC model and the second model is the non-NFC model. There is a difference in terms of the thickness as well. So 10.8mm is the thickness for the NFC model, whereas for the non-NFC model the thickness is 10.5. This device is fairly good in terms of the build quality. However, you will feel some kind of plastic which you will feel on the back side as well as on the front, which you have on this device. Again, this is a good quality of plastic which BlackBerry has used to manufacture this phone. So you have a plastic back cover which is non-removable, so you cannot remove the back cover, but it seems like you can actually remove it, but it is non-removable. So if we take a look over the phone in terms of the overall form factor, the phone is fairly small to hold in one hand. It has a pretty big display for a phone of this size. It is 3.1 inch and it is an IPS LCD display. The resolution of the display is 720 into 720, and you get around 329 pixels per inch on this display. As far as the weight of this device is concerned, as the device is fairly portable and very light to carry as well. It weighs around only 120 gram in terms of the overall weight. And one thing which most of the BlackBerry users will like, that it has a QWERTY keyboard with 35 keys, and again you get a pretty good feedback from these QWERTY keys which are there on this device. So you have the proper physical QWERTY keyboard feel on this device whenever. In this device can also be used with a swipe action, as you can see. So you can use it like, as you have BlackBerry 10 OS on this device, you can use it with the swipe action feature, and you will be able to access the BlackBerry Hub over here for all the notification and accounts which you have configured on this device. You can access the accounts over here, so you can configure Gmail, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook as well on this device. And as far as the overall UI is concerned, again the UI is quite intuitive, and the application which you see on this device, get the YouTube application pre-installed, you get Foursquare application pre-installed, Facebook and Twitter application are designed for this particular OS, for this particular display, and they also come pre-installed. You have a calculator which is like this, and in order to get the scientific orient keys for this particular calculator, you just need to swipe it like this and you will be able to access the scientific options. You have all these active tiles which actually show you the recent application which you have launched on this device, so you can easily access them here, and you can always kill them if they are running in the background. So this is how you can actually go across to any specific application, and you can also have a quick action thing. That means if you are on the home screen and you are searching for example, you are searching for Twitter, so you can easily post a tweet from here by selecting this option over here, and it will automatically post the tweet from the account which you have configured on the Q5 with the Z10 which was previously launched. This is how these devices look in terms of the overall comparison. Again, both of these devices are fairly different in terms of the overall look as well as in terms of the overall design. This is a full touchscreen device, whereas on the Q5 you have a physical QWERTY keyboard and a display screen of around 3.1 inch. On this device you have a much larger display screen, so you have this kind of a difference. And as far as the build quality is concerned, the build quality and the material which has been used on the Z10 is much better as compared to the Q5. And again, this is a budget device available for a price of 25,000 rupees approximately, whereas this device is quite pricey. In the bottom you have the loudspeaker over here, and you have a primary mic over here for voice calling, whereas the buttons over here are, so the volume buttons over here, as you can see, you can use the middle button to play and pause the music, whereas you can actually use the lower volume key to take a picture whenever you want to, like this. So it will automatically take a picture, and you can also take a picture by tapping on the touchscreen like this. On this device is a 2 megapixel camera, and it is a fixed focus camera. It has 3x of digital zoom, and it can record high definition video at 720p. So you can record the high definition video from the front camera as well. As far as the back camera is concerned, you have a 5 megapixel camera over here with LED flash, and the 5 megapixel camera at the back can record high definition video at 1080p. If in terms of the overall functionality, you do have LED flash over here as well to capture the photos in dark environment. So when it comes to the other connectivity, you have the micro USB port over here for data syncing and charging for this device, and on the top you have the headphone jack over here, and you also get a secondary mic over here for noise cancellation and video chat, and whereas you have the power and sleep key at the top of the application which comes pre-installed on the device. You have calendar application, you have BBM service which allow BBM voice as well now on this device, and it is also being available on the BlackBerry devices which are running 5.0 or above. As far as the other features are concerned about this device, you have 2 GB of RAM on this device and 8 GB of internal storage, and we will just tell you how much of that is actually available. I have a port over here, so you can insert a micro SD memory card over here to expand the storage of the device, and the internal storage is 8 GB, whereas you can insert a micro SIM over here, Bluetooth 4.0 on this device. When it comes to the navigation, you do have navigation support on this device with the help of assisted GPS, and as far as the navigation app is concerned, the BlackBerry Maps as of now does not support maps for Indian cities, but you can always install Map My India application on this device to use this device for navigation. Now in order to wake the device, either you can press the power and sleep key at the top, or you can just swipe on the touchscreen and it will wake up the device. You get around 2180 milliampere hour battery on this device, which will give you around 12 hours of 3G backup as per BlackBerry and 14 days on standby, and you will get an audio playback of around 62 hours, whereas the video playback will be around 9 hours as per BlackBerry claims, and we will let you know more when we do a detailed review of this device about the battery backup. The thing I must tell you is that the micro SD memory card slot over here is hot swappable, so you can always remove the memory card from the device even when the device is on, and the micro SIM card slot over here is not hot swappable, but if you remove the SIM card from the device, you will have to turn off the device before you get the signal for the SIM again. As far as connectivity is concerned, this device does support 3G as well as 4G across the globe. So this one is the 3G model which we have here in India. So this will support 3G network of any telecom carrier which we have over here in India, and with the speed which you get on any other smartphone out there. Now as far as the color versions are concerned, you have this device available in 3 colors, red, white and black, and the red color out of all these does look the best. So these are the 3 color options which you will get on BlackBerry Q5. The overall design, you do have a BlackBerry logo at the back. You have some certifications over here mentioned. You have 5 megapixel camera with LED flash which can record high definition video at 1080p at 30 frames per second, whereas the keys which we have over here, you can use these keys for taking pictures. You can also play and pause music as well as videos whenever you are playing music and videos on this device. And on the front you have a 2 megapixel camera over here. You have some sensors over here, including the proximity sensor, and the earpiece is over here as you can see, and it is again metallic earpiece which we see on this device. And here we have the full QWERTY keyboard. As far as the keyboard is concerned, the keyboard is pretty good in terms of the overall build on this device, and again the keys does give you good amount of feedback, and they are pretty big to type and to use even with thick fingers or with thin fingers. And it does have an indentation over here, especially for people who are used to this particular kind of indentation to detect the kind of keys, and you will be able to type on this keyboard even with one hand, and you can do the typing much faster if you use the device with 2 hands easily, as you can see. It has dual core 1.2 GHz processor, 2 GB of RAM, 8 GB of internal memory, and again all these specifications does make this device pretty nice at the price at which you are getting. For around 25,000 rupees. You can get the latest BlackBerry 10 OS experience on this device, and again you will also have the physical QWERTY keyboard out there, especially for those who love it. Now to conclude our review, we would like to give a thumbs up to the BlackBerry Q5 device, which is going to be the most affordable device as far as the BlackBerry latest OS is concerned for BlackBerry users out there. So it is a pretty decent device with a pretty decent hardware as well. from us as far as the quick hands-on review of the BlackBerry Q5 is concerned. As far as this device is concerned, this device is a pretty good device at the price at which it comes. Do let us know if you have any specific questions for this device. We would love to help you. You can like this video if this video helped you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.